Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and we want to show you everything that we have to offer this Christmas season at Sipkens Nurseries, so come along with me. Sipkens Boutique is completely flipped for the winter season, so you're going to find beautiful wraps and pullover sweaters and cardigans too, plus purses and wallets, plus mittens and scarf and hat sets also. And in our gift store, you're going to find hundreds of Christmas items, decorating ideas, and unique gifts like our gnomes. And more gnomes. And even more gnomes. And beautiful lanterns too. Bird seed for your feathered friends, bird houses, and feeders. And really cute decor for your mantle or a centerpiece on your table. Cardinals, anyone? Say hello to my nutcracker pals. And artificial Christmas trees in many colors and styles. Ribbon, bows, and berries and picks, faux wreaths, and garlands. So as you're walking here through our gift store, you're going to come across two different doors that lead you into the greenhouse. So door number 1, let's go check it out. So inside our heated greenhouse space, you'll find poinsettias available in 4 different colors: red, pink, white, and glitter, and available in 3 sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch, with more 4-inch to come later this week. You're also going to find many different Christmas popular plants such as cyclamen, anthuriums, orchids, amaryllis bulbs, Norfolk pine, and more. And you're going to find oodles of homegrown houseplants here. This heated area is available all winter long. So when you've got those winter blues, come on in for a really beautiful tropical stroll amongst the plants. And door number 2 is on the far west side of our gift store. Let's check out what we're going to find inside. In the greenhouse, you're going to find all of our fresh greenery, everything from boughs, homemade garlands, wreath, planters, and more. And our adorable Grinch trees are here, along with our Italian, elwood, lemon cypress, and winterberry plants. Look at this handmade black cedar garland. It is so thick and fresh. You'll find it in the BC cedar style as well, a little bit more draping. And you're going to find many homemade wreaths in cedar and boxwood. And did you know that we do custom orders like garlands, roping, wreaths, swags, inserts, and more? Plus, find samples of our make and take classes hosted this winter season at Sipkens Nurseries. There is still time to sign up online at sipkens.myshopify.com. Like our Christmas gnome, traditional insert Christmas reindeer, Advent sleigh, mini forest centerpiece, window wishes, traditional centerpiece, and our greenery wreath. Now, can we talk about Christmas planters, because we have so many. Our team hand makes them here in our greenhouse, and they're available in so many different styles, colors, with berries, picks, ribbon, and more. Get them dressed up or pick one up au naturel to decorate yourself. Let's find birch branches, fantail willow, curly willow, and colorful dogwood for dressing up your planters. And great photo opportunities like our Whoville scene and the Grinch. Bring the whole family, your cameras, and cozy up in our sleigh. So come on and hang out with us this Christmas season at Sipkens Nurseries. We are open Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we'll see you soon.